In this video, we are going to see how we can easily rotate a video directly in Windows 11 without the need to use any third-party software. So I have generated this video with Google Veo 3 and I want to rotate it in Windows. So we are just taking it as an example, although you can directly produce a 9:16 ratio video in Veo 3. But let's say that you have any video that you want to rotate directly in Windows 11. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just open the start menu and you have a default software available called Microsoft Clipchamp. Click on that and it might ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. You just log in there. And once you log in, you click on create a new video. We click on import media on the left. Now our video is on desktop. So we click on all files. Here it is. We just select our video. We drag and drop it in the timeline. And now on the top, we click on more and rotate it by 90 degree. You can again rotate it by 90 degree and rotate it however you want. And after that, you can place it, resize it, whatever you want to do. So let's say I want to fit it here. We can easily do it like this. It will show you the center indication as well whenever the video is on the center. And after that, you hit export and you can export it highest possible quality. Change the location. For convenience, I will place this one on desktop as well. Click on select and right here that this is for, let's say, horizontal video. We don't want to store it in cloud. Click on export. It will take some time, so just sit back and relax while it completes the export. And now let's see. You can also click on this show in folder option to locate that video easily, and basically it will be saved in the downloads. So click on that and here is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.